what I did instead of hustling, and why it finally worked. In part one, we talked about how being productive can keep you actually broke. In this video, I show you exactly what I did instead and why it finally created me peace and income I was always craving. Here's the thing. I didn't want another job. I had enough of those. I didn't want a side hustle that became another full-time stressor. I wanted time and income without chasing, posting, or selling constantly. So here's what I did. I got clear on my outcome, not just my to-do list. I invested in a blueprint that had systems already built. All you do is plug in. I got membership and mentorship because doing it alone wasn't working. The results? First sale was in a very short period of time. Passive income from an automated funnel. 2-hour work days and gave me back my life. Oh, I love it. What made the difference wasn't effort. It was structure. And most people don't have that. They're reinventing the wheel every day and wondering why they're so tired and broke. This model is different. You own a digital product with full resale rights. You earn 100% profit, and the system shows you how to scale without selling it to your friends or dancing on TikTok. In part 3, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. Want to learn more? Go to my site or comment more, and I'll send you exactly what I do every day.